Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use Spotify AI DJ. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. Now, first things first, to use your Spotify AI DJ, you need to open the Spotify app. But you should make sure that you are subscribed to the premium version of Spotify. After you have subscribed to the premium version of your Spotify, you can then navigate to your home feed and then tap on the DJ card. Once you simply tap on the DJ card, this is often found in the music feeder search. The AI voiced as DJ X will curate a mix of new and old songs with voiceover commentary. You can switch genres by tapping the DJ icon or use voice text command for specific requests. So this way you can use your Spotify AI DJ. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.